how to find a way inside for Drought. This mission right here. Drought, the quests. There's the map right there. So Drought, find a way inside. This is very easy, very straightforward. Oh, I'm getting hit from the outside. And she just died. Okay, cool. So, you hear the doors do not open. Okay? And as you can see on the map, it's all yellow, it's marked up. You gotta find a way inside. It is not the roof either, okay? Nor is it that door right there. You come behind, right here, behind the door, to these two yellow pipes. You can see these three right here. These three bad boys. You come down to one of these. Well, this one, of course. Use. And you gotta come in here. Keep your torch on so you can see what's going on. Of course, this one is not the way in. But there is a trophy there. So, I'm gonna come back out. I'm gonna come up here, right here, get some air. Come to the next one. And there we go. I'm gonna try the second one right here. Oh, there's a lock. See? Oh, we can actually get this lock. So, we're gonna pick the lock really quickly. Should be it. Yes, perfect. Now let's try this one right here. Open up. I said open up, please. Thank you very much. There we go. So on the middle one. Gotta come into the middle one right now. Let's see where we're at. Now, there's a barrel right there. We're gonna take a left. Come this way. This may be leading us back to... No, we're good. We're good right now. This is exactly the one right here. There we go. Excuse me. Thank you very much. And there we go. That is how you get inside. You gotta defeat the bandits, of course, which won't take long with a shotgun. Hello. Hello. And let's get the last one up here. Boom. Easy peasy. That is how you get inside. And Drought, restore the power. You know what to do next. Drought, restore the power right now. And there you go. That is how you get inside. But let's finish it off. Just the video done. Gotta open the door, of course. We cannot open the door. Okay, let's get it. Let us come down the stairs. Hang on. Down the old steps. Oh, hello. Then we gotta talk to this guy, and that's pretty much it. We will leave it there. I hope this helped. I'll see you on the next one.